with my father.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would let me hide, penance with my father and he and then spin me around in a fantasy. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my father again.
Dance with my father.
Yeah, then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later the night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could still one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I lose and I turn it on, and I hear my mother cry for me. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. Yeah. Badung. Oh, much too much, but when you said that they only dance we love, I know you don't do it usually, but you know she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
Dance with my father.